Goo.gle machine learning for exoplanet detection. An eighth planet orbiting a Sun-like star over 2,500 light-years away called Kepler 90 has been detected by running the data from NASA's Kepler Space Telescope through a Google neural network. The network was trained using 15,000 previously vetted signals from the Kepler exoplanet catalogue, NASA explained, before it moved on to learning how to detect weaker signals. "We got lots of false positives of planets, but also potentially more real planets," said NASA Sagan postdoctoral fellow Andrew Vanderburg. "It's like sifting through rocks to find jewels. If you have a finer sieve, then you will catch more rocks, but you might catch more jewels as well." In addition to the new planet around Kepler 90, the network found a new Earth-sized planet orbiting Kepler 80. NASA's unsung heroes, the Apollo coders who put men on the moon. PDF download. NASA shows the world its 20-year virtual reality experiment to train astronauts. The inside story. Tech Republic. NASA Hybrid Reality Lab combines VR and the real world. It is intended for the network to examine the full dataset from Kepler, which consists of more than 150,000 stars. Just as we expected, there are exciting discoveries lurking in our archived Kepler data, waiting for the right tool or technology to unearth them, said Paul Hertz, director of NASA's Astrophysics Division in Washington. This finding shows that our data will be a treasure trove available to innovative researchers for years to come. In a paper, the research team say the neural network ranks planet candidates above false positives 98.8% of the time. A technique like ours could be used in the future to make more accurate estimates of planetary occurrence rates. In particular, the occurrence rate of Earth-like planets, colloquially called Earth, is one of the most important and exciting open questions in exoplanet research. It is directly proportional to the estimated fraction of planets that might harbor life as we know it on Earth, the paper said. On a more terrestrial level, Google is pushing its machine learning into additional areas. In October, the search giant announced a partnership with Rolls-Royce to work on autonomous ships. The deal sees Rolls-Royce use Google's cloud machine learning engine to train its object classification system for detecting, identifying, and tracking the objects that a vessel can encounter at sea. Google is also continuing to push machine learning in its more regular product set, with its Sheets app now able to suggest pivot tables from a simple natural language query. Video. How Machine Learning's Big Data Loop Works. ZDNet contributor Georgia Nadiatis explains how big data helps train artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to optimize business software productivity. Will 2018 be the big year for machine learning? A new report from Deloitte says the tipping point for the technology has arrived. Getting started with artificial intelligence and machine learning. AWS head of architecture Glenn Gore offers up advice on where to start with artificial intelligence and machine learning. Adobe Lightroom adds AI, machine learning for better auto settings. Adobe has rolled out AI and machine learning to analyze your photo and compare it to tens of thousands of professionally edited photos to make auto corrections. How machine learning can be used to catch a hacker. Tech Republic Sec BY's Alex Vastek and Gilad Peleg explain how AI can be used to strengthen threat detection systems. Machine learning business use will double by end of 2018, report says. Tech Republic. The technology's projected growth shows its emergence as a business aid, according to Deloitte Research.